Good morning, everybody. It is April 1st, no, 1 or 2 days away. Just a quick video here. John Rainey, who has apparently disappeared, last known pushing a Dodge, see, we even got ice, pushing a Dodge across the city of Falls, Nebraska, presumably. This snow is brought to you courtesy of this guy here, the damn plumber. And being Sunday, I'll go light on the language, even though we know what he is. I got my thermos. Yeah, I gotta go to work and work out in this stuff. But such is life. This cold start is brought to you by Mr. Robinson. Ha 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 ha. I'm just gonna clean my windshield off because I gotta go clean more snow. Thanks, Kevin. I'm gonna box this stuff. I'm gonna box this shit up and send it to you. It's ice. I still want to know why you bought a Dodge. We need to see out the window so we don't so we know which part of the fence to run over when I back up. Thanks, Kevin. Your ear's burning yet? Bless your heart. Bless your heart. Bless your heart. Oh, bless your heart. Bless your billet grill loving, pipe laying heart. Oh, yes. See, it's all over me. Thanks. This video is brought to you by the plumber and the snow also. Look, ice. Ice. Stop the trash, man. It's a plumber. The plumber did this. He piped it all the way up here from the Carolinas.